Asalamualaikum guys, I'm back. I missed you guys so much. I'm sorry I was away for so long. It's just that there were certain things that needed to be taken care of and I had been ignoring for so long, and yeah, I just had to take some time out to sort those things out. But alhamdulillah, I am back now on my regular upload schedule, so inshallah expect a video from me every weekend from now on, inshallah, right? You never know what might come tomorrow, but inshallah that is the plan. So guys, following on to the Umrah video that I made, I wanted to continue the series by sharing with you guys in this video a few gift ideas of things that you can buy for your friends and families, and also for yourself, you know, when you go for Umrah or Hajj as well, either way. So I'm hoping that you guys will really enjoy this video. So yes, without further ado guys, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so the first gift that you definitely have to bring, this is something everybody expects for you to bring back, whether you've gone for Hajj or just done your Umrah. Whenever you return back home, everybody expects you to bring back some Zamzam water for them. So you are allowed to bring a, what's this, 5 litre? Yes, a 5 litre bottle with you. So make sure you don't forget to take advantage of that, and that you do bring back some Zamzam water with you. I love to drink Zamzam water, so as you guys can see, mine is still like, it's not even halfway done. It's not even halfway done. That just goes to show how sparingly I actually drink my Zamzam water. But yeah, it's just because it's so precious, guys. It's so precious. But yeah, definitely make sure you bring some Zamzam water with you, and you can share it out with your family once you return home. Now, the second gift ideas is, of course, for yourself or for your mother, your sisters, any woman in your life, or your wife or your daughter. You need to make sure you're coming back with at least one pair of abaya for them, okay? Because if you're not, they're not going to be happy. If they are that special woman in your life and you've just gone to Hajj or Umrah and you have not bought at least one abaya for them, there's something wrong, okay? Now, you guys always ask me about where I get my like more fancier abayas from. Majority of them I get from Saudi, just because, you know, the community, the Islamic community that I'm part of, there's always someone that's going for Hajj or Umrah sometime during the year. So I make sure to give them a picture of the type of design that I like. So say I see you know, a style online or whatever, I will screenshot that image and then forward it via WhatsApp to the person that I know is going, and I'll say to them, this is the kind of style that I'm looking for, so if you see some abayas like that, could you please buy some for me? And I would make sure to give them money, of course. So that is how I have over the years accumulated so many abayas, and the majority of them are from Saudi. And you can really get some really beautiful abayas from there, and I prefer to get mine from there because I think, you know, you can get really good quality abayas for, you know, a fraction of the price that you would in the West. On the topic of clothing, actually, you can also get some really nice jilbab pieces for brothers as well. And also, if you know someone that lives in Saudi, before you go, you can ask them to contact a tailor, and you can have, you know, your own personalized, custom-made jilbabs for yourself, or even for your husband or your son or anyone. So that's quite a nice idea. You can again get even more unique pieces made there, which is going to be a lot more cheaper, and of course they know what they're doing, so they're gonna sew it to a really high standard. So if you know anybody that lives in Saudi and you want to contact them and have them, you know, contact a tailor to get you really unique pieces done, then I would suggest you do that. But if you don't worry, there are great, you know, options for you to buy when you get there. So yes, definitely make sure you bring in a bag. So yes, definitely make sure to buy yourselves some lovely abayas. Okay, so the next thing is perfumes. They have some really lovely perfume shops in Saudi, especially in Medina. So on the notes of perfumes, another thing that you can actually get are these roll-on perfumes. They smell really, really great, and you can get them in different scents as well. You can get these in like packs of maybe 12 or 14, and you can add them to maybe like a small amounts of Zamzam water that you put in a little bit of a bottle like this, and just throw these in, and maybe throw another hijab in. Makes a nice little gift set. Put it in a really nice bag and make a nice gift set for others. So yes, you can get some nice roll-on perfumes as well. Now I had to include this because following my Sunnah way of losing weight video, so many of you were asking me where I got this black seed oil from, and I was telling you guys that I got this from Saudi. So if you're going for Hajj or Umrah, screenshot this right now, save it, and when you go there, any store you enter into, ask them if they know where you can buy this from, or if they're selling this, and inshallah you'll be able to buy some for yourself. Because I think people were just worried about, you know, getting the real thing, you know, something that's like authentic. They don't sell these in the West. I have checked Amazon, I have checked eBay, I have tried to look in other like Sunnah Etsy shops. I haven't seen anywhere that sells these. So I get them from Saudi. So make sure that if you're going and you would like to have this particular black seed oil that has Ruqya performed over it as well, make sure that you add this to your list so that inshallah you can get yourself as much stock as you need, inshallah. Another gift idea that you might want to look into is buying gold jewelry. Now you want to make sure that when you get there and you ask for the prices of the jewelries, that you can convert them back into your local currency to actually see if it is cheaper for you to buy it over there. Now there may be some things that's cheaper to buy in Saudi and more expensive where you live, but some things will be more cheaper where you live in comparison to in Saudi. But I know that a lot of women go to like Saudi and, you know, the United Arab nations to look for gold jewelries, like authentic gold pieces. So if you're, you know, in the budget for that kind of stuff, then just make sure that you're converting it back into your currency so you can really judge to see whether or not it is cheaper for you to buy them over there instead of back home where you're from. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is known to have said in an authentic hadith that whoever eats 7 amounts of Ajwah Dates will not be affected by poison or witchcraft. So if you're coming back, please get yourself or your family members some Ajwah Dates. I love these dates. They have a slightly more unique taste in comparison to other dates. So yes, definitely try to bring you some Ajwah Dates back as a gift, either for yourself or your family and friends, and inshallah encourage them to practice the sunnah of eating 7 of these every single morning in order to protect themselves from all harm from the shaitan and his associates. So the next thing that you can actually buy for your families and friends who drive is one of those like car souvenirs, you know, one of those things you hang in front of your car. You can get you some of those and they say like Allah or Muhammad and stuff like that on it. Now these things don't protect you from any evil, because I've heard of people just like having associations thinking these things will protect me from any harm. They can't do that, okay? So they just look nice and they're just souvenirs that are like deen related. So if you like the way they look, you can buy some and give some out to your families and friends. So I may have saved the best till last, and that is prayer mats. Oh my goodness, they have the most pretty prayer mats when you go, if you're looking carefully enough. Some of them are a little bit expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but there was this one particular one that I regretted not having bought, that I really recommend you guys get. It looks like a carpet and it's really thick and it's so soft, and the design on it is just gorgeous, right? So those really thick, pretty looking prayer mats, like if you can get your hands on one of those, I don't think you will ever regret giving someone that. Also because every time someone prays on that particular prayer mat, you get reward for it. Now I don't know about you, but I need all the reward I can get. So prayer mats will forever be one gift that I will definitely not forget to buy for people whenever again Allah blesses me and calls me, gives me the chance to go for either Hajj or Umrah. Definitely bring back a prayer mat. Gift a prayer mat to as many people as you can, because the rewards, guys, are endless. So there you go, guys. Those were all the ideas that I could think of gifts that you can buy for people or for yourself and your family and friends when you go for either Hajj or Umrah. Now, if any one of you guys have any other ideas of gifts that you think will be beneficial for others to buy when they go for their Hajj or Umrah, please make sure you leave it in the comment section down below. Before I go, guys, I would just like to say that if you guys would like to see a video on jilbab reviews, let me know, just because I've noticed nowadays there are a lot of modest fashion wear videos, and I'm not a beauty fashion makeup type hijabi, so don't get scared. I'm not about to like go on the left side, okay? But I feel like for the sisters who want to rock jilbabs, they don't have enough representation here on YouTube. So as my channel is growing, I would like to support sisters like that. So if you want to see a jilbab review, let me know, and inshallah I'll put the order through. I've seen a couple of websites where they ship internationally, and I would like to try some of their jilbabs. I'm really picky on the type of jilbabs that I wear, but inshallah, you guys, I'll tell you more about it if I end up making that video. So if enough of you want to see that video, I will inshallah do it. So let me know in the comment section down below, and also by giving this video a thumbs up if you want to see, if you would like to see a jilbab review from me. Okay, so that is it, guys. Jazakallah here for watching. Inshallah I will see you all in next week's video. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.